Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the US dollar, Japanese yen, FX for Tuesday, September the 1st. Well, quite a small bodied candle today, still red, but a very small bodied candle compared to the previous day and the day two trading days before that. The market is still continuing to sell off. The market is still in a first time frame downtrend. Today's candle, or bar in bar chart terms, is an inside day, denotes indecision for the downtrend because we don't have a lower high and lower low, but we still don't have a higher high and a higher low to confirm a change of trend to the upside. The very small body on the candle tells us that even though the bears have closed the market in control and they're showing some sort of commitment, it tells us that they've made very little net progress from open to close, and that has ramifications for the validity of this first time frame downtrend. There is a possibility that this first time frame downtrend can end. The fact that we have a gap between the body of the current candle and the body of the previous candle is also very important, and that sets this up as a star type pattern. It's a potential reversal pattern. With those patterns, though, we need confirmation of a change of trend, so we need to be looking to the high of the current candle for a reversal of the trend. Now, just looking at the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, we're trading below both, and we're also trading below the cloud or the Kumo, which means that the market is negative. The market is bearish. But both the Kumo and the Kijun-sen have turned flat, and they tend to be an attractor of price action when that happens. And there's a very good chance that we may have a rally at least to the Tenkan-sen, possibly to the cloud or the Kumo, where we'll potentially find resistance. And then if we do trade up into the cloud, then there's potential resistance at the Kijun-sen at 90, that's at 90, roughly about 95. The Tenkan-sen is at 93.80 roughly. So there is potential for the market to rally to either of those areas. If the market fails to rally and continues selling off, then we have a very strong zone of support in this highlighted yellow area, and if we pan out, we can see that there was very strong buying coming in as the market traded down into these areas, and we can see the large wicks or shadows on the end of these candles where there was buying coming in after a very strong sell-off, so very strong potential for support in that area. So we need to keep an eye on the high of the current candle for a potential rally because of the flat Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and keep an eye on this area of support for a continued sell-off down into that region.